Hello everyone, Jared here from Aloha Plumbing, and we're talking about toilets today. Everyone likes to have chlorine in their toilet to clean the bowls, and most of your manufacturers recommend not having the chlorine tablets in the tank. And that's not really where you want the chlorine. You really want the chlorine in the bowl. So the trick is getting it into the bowl. And many manufacturers will actually void your warranty if you put the chlorine tablets in the tank. Plus, it really is going to be a job security issue for plumbers like me if you're putting that chlorine in the tank, because it eats up all the rubber gaskets. Not to mention it can cause failure, cause a leak, but it's going to wear out everything prematurely. That's where an item like this comes into play. What this is, it's a chlorinator that's going to hang in the tank of the toilet and only put the chlorine that you want where you want it, in the bowl and not in the tank. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to unbox this, take a look at what it is, what it comes with, and show you how to install it, okay? We're going to open it up. You can actually see right here, it says do not use chlorine-based disinfectants in the toilet tank as they may degrade the components. So you're actually warned there not to use it in the tank, and they're talking about putting those tablets in. So it's a very simple design. This is going to hang on the toilet tank. You're going to put this end into your overflow tube, and then this is going to plug into your fill valve. So here we have the fill tube off the fill valve. Now what you want to do is turn the water off to the toilet. Take this tube loose from your fill valve. Hang this on your toilet and set it so that it'll reach your overflow tube. And this tube's a little long, so I'm going to cut mine a little bit. And then install it onto the fitting that the tube was on before. And so now the water is going to go into this and then out of here into your overflow. And then there's a little cartridge here that has the chlorine that's going to be applied. We're going to put that in here. We've got it installed. Now we want to test it. Let's turn the water back on. Flush the toilet. So my water is going into the overflow tube. None of that is going into the tank itself. It's only going into the bowl. So it says on the box, cleans toilets up to 3 months. Fights the stains without harming toilet parts. You can also get it in the blue and septic tank version. So this version is obviously not rated for a septic tank, so keep that in mind. So there you have it. If you want to put chlorine into your bowl and not in your tank, you want to keep your toilet clean, but you don't want to wear your parts out, flush and sparkle. It's your tip for the day. This is Aloha Plumbing.